So I've connected the battery back to the desulfator, and I've made a few modifications to it. I added a stack of magnets here on the input coil. I've got 10 turns on the input coil, 10 turns on the feedback coil, and 100 turns on the output coil. And another change is the ground wire goes out the door, and if you can see it out there, it's going out into the yard. It's just stretched out into the yard. And now I'm getting some huge voltage spikes. You can see this is over 400 volts on the positive side and a little bit less than 200 volts on the negative side. 200 volts, 400 volts. So those are, if you tune into those, you'll see there's a lot of ringing going on in there. So this is the area between here and here where the transistor is opening and letting in those rings, and between the pulses is where the coil is building up energy, and finally when the transistor opens, it lets that energy back in. So as you can see, I've got my scope here hooked up to the output, and this is the signal that's coming in above and beyond the 12 volts that's coming from the battery.